you are the topic of your life, you guys. So I put Chelsea, aka Coop. That is my nickname. Hi, how are you? So you're the topic of your life. Well, how do you branch out from that? You're branching out with these subtopics. The subtopics are exactly what make up your life. So I want you to think past and now present. So think of a career path that maybe molded you into who you are. Think of a hobby. Think of maybe a traumatic experience, maybe a great experience, right? I want you to pull from your fives list now that you know comp plan, community, and those 5 things that represent who you are along with the products. Now think of who you are. So you have you in the middle of the page. For me, I'm a hockey wife, I'm a former pageant contestant, former 9-to-5er, former personal trainer, dog mama, and mindset and personal development are like my thing. So for me, I could pull from being a former 9-to-5er, I used to speak for a well-known car brand, so I would be under contract for 11 months out of the year. That included holidays. Y'all, holidays, we don't get back. Some of those people, you don't know if you're ever gonna be able to see again, and that, you really have to resonate on that. So for me, I remember I was in Philadelphia sitting in my hotel room on Thanksgiving eating McDonald's, and I was like, FaceTime my family. I'm like, what am I doing? Like, there has to be more to life, right? So I just told you guys a story and why I'm on this stage, why I'm in this industry right now. It doesn't have to be difficult. Nobody knows you better than you. You are your superpower. So pull from that. And if you went through a traumatic thing, don't think you have to air dirty laundry on social. Don't do that. Flip it to a positive. Be inspiring. Lift people up. Carry people through that may be walking through that same storm that you're going through now, you guys. Your story's powerful. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. You deserve to be at the very top of this company, and you're gonna be. We're claiming it. All right, so this is just a visual, so you guys will fill in, obviously, the holes. And then the outside ones, so health knowledge from personal trainer. I was never home, I just told you guys that story, so that's the other bubbles coming out from your. You're gonna inspire a lot of people by doing that. Different aspects of the story that made you who you are. You're gonna inspire a lot of people by doing that. So, moving on. So this is just a what to post daily prompts. I'm not gonna go through into too much depth with this. Obviously, I'm not a perfect person, you're not a perfect person. Y'all, be authentically you. This can change, okay? Mindset Monday, I just told you guys personal development is my thing. I love helping you guys see the best in you and allowing you to feel that way. So, Mindset Monday, I'm gonna give a Mindset Monday tip. Maybe it's a personal development book that I'm resonating with. Big tip on what to post, you guys. If you're bulletproofing your mind, as KG always says, you are always gonna have endless amounts of posts because when you're reading something that resonates with you, you're now gonna have a golden nugget pop up. Read, I don't mean like take the words right from the book because that is plagiarism, but let's go ahead and speak in a post of how that resonates with you in the moment, okay? So feel free to utilize the books that you're reading. If something resonates with you throughout the day or in a personal development book or a podcast, reinstate that in a post and go and inspire somebody, throw it into your story.